Want to know if someone's lying to your face? No need for a lie detector. Just watch their hands. Yep, those weird five-fingered truth machines. Let's break down how to spot honesty and sneakiness just by reading palms. And no, not like a psychic. When someone wants to be honest, they do this palms out. It's like their hands are saying,
Look, I've got nothing to hide.
People subconsciously show their palms when saying things like, I didn't do it. I swear I'm telling the truth. Yes, I took out the trash last month. But when someone's lying, suddenly those hands disappear like your paycheck on payday. Men especially love hiding their palms in their pockets. It's the body language version of no comment. This is a classic move after a boys' night out when you are asked, where were you? Kids do it too. If you ever ask a child, did you eat the cookies? Their hands are behind their back. They ate the cookies, probably all of them. But women follow a different strategy. Instead of freezing, they get busy. Folding towels, checking Instagram, redecorating the entire living room, all to dodge a question like, whose mic in your contacts saved as pizza delivery guy? Or even salespeople are trained in this stuff. If you're giving real reasons not to buy something, your hands will be out when you will be giving the excuse. But if your hands are stuffed in your hoodie like a kangaroo, they know you're just not interested. Now, can you lie with your palms out? Technically, yes. But unless you're a pro con artist, it won't work. Your other body parts snitch on you, your eyes twitch, your voice cracks, your eyebrows do the cha-cha. Here's the juicy bit if you start using open palms regularly. When talking, guess what? You start feeling more honest. And people around you do too. It's like Jedi mind tricks, but with your hands. Subscribe, follow. We really need your support in completing the full training video.